Alright, so I just woke up literally like 10 minutes before the market. My phone died, and it was brutal this morning. So, uh, basically, I woke up. Yesterday, I kind of knew that structure was gonna be bearish because, as ICT said, whenever on Sunday opening, whenever it opens bullish, there is a fair amount of chances that it's gonna be bearish. And overall, the structure for Euro and GU was just bearish because of daily structure and 4 hour structure. Although it did break, here I'm gonna show you guys. So we go on 4 hours, we go on daily, right? We go like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so we do this. If you look at daily, it's been bearish on both. On GU though, it tried to get out of this order block, but it couldn't. It's still playing in that order block, so I guess that's a good confluence for us. Alright, and on here also it has a 4 hour, let me take this off. Okay, and here it had a 4 hour order block as well. So if you drop down to 4 hours, alright, 4 hours, GU literally just broke structure, like bam 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 bam. It just kept on going up. Now if you look at Euro though, Euro, it didn't break it. Euro, this candle would have been, if it closes here, it would have been a break of structure. But the thing, so this was like, I think ICT said it was like from way back. It was a imbalance or order block. I forgot to mark it, but he said it's gonna come here, go up, and keep. I think it was gonna come here and then keep heading down. But the thing was that made me take shorts right now was that, look, this liquidity was taken out on 4 hour. This liquidity was perfectly taken out on 4 hour as well. And on here, I guess I don't have any confluence other than this order block right here, which has been respected several times. If you see, goes down, comes back to it, goes down, then comes back. Let's take the wick, right? Goes down, comes back, doesn't even like close, like doesn't even wick above the order block, comes down, then just like consolidates for here, comes in here, and then I guess let's drop into more lower time frame. Go on an hour, same thing. On hour it did break structure here, and on here it was just like, god, it just kept on rocketing up to the upside. Now I drop down to 15. Holy moly, on 15 it just like was ripping. So let's say this and this, this right here, this right here, right? And then I guess this was the one that was divergent when I was watching the charts, right? No, this was not. So I guess I go back in time to look at divergences. So what, I chose this peak on both. This peak in here, let me just mark it for so look, on here it didn't cross the peak, right? But on here, as you can see, it clearly just ripped off that peak in half. But when I was watching the charts, mind you, that it didn't close above, so it was literally like this. So now we drop into 15. I didn't look at it because 15 it wasn't just giving me anything, right? We drop into a minute. At this point I just started looking for my trades, and same on here, I started looking for my trades. Take this. Alright, so now I was literally in the bathroom shitting, and then I saw this right here. This is the point where I broke structure. Now I was waiting for a retracement. Same thing on here. Let me check which one was it. Yeah, this candle right here. It right here. Okay, so like that, right? Now here's the thing. I tried this thing where, okay, on here you can see it was a clear breaker structure. In here it was breaker structure here, right? But I didn't take that because it was like itty bitty breaker structure. But I waited for one more candle. I see this like literally spiking down, breaks this like clean breaker structure, and then I set my, I guess, discount range for both of them, right? And then now what I do is like on here I would have entered off here, but it never goes. So now I said, look, okay, on here on euro it breaks structure, right? And it was gonna break structure on here. So what I did was, okay, fine. Here it kinda break itty bitty breaker structure. So I was willing to take itty bitty breaker structure on here, right? If you, oh my god, I gotta zoom in. If you see, kinda broke itty bitty breaker structure. Oh wait, it did. Did it? Let me use F9. Okay, alright, fine. It didn't break a structure on here, but if you look back, if you go back to what I said, it broke structure on here, right? Now what I did was I just, in this 50, I was fairly confident in this trade, and sometimes it's like as you grow more into the markets, it's that sometimes you just know when you should have entered, right? So I, as Suki said, the okay, let me remove this now. Okay, so as Suki said, artificial reactions are the best. So I put my fib here because it was, oh my god, 50%, right? So like this, perfect. Like if you look at it, if I zoom in, it's like a, okay, a paper pub right there. Exactly, you see, dot to dot. Remove, yep, it's perfect reaction. Like I wasn't zoomed in this much, but like even if you are zoomed in like this, you can tell that it was a perfect reaction. So I got my ratios for fucking fast. I got off like so initially I was gonna set a limit order here, right? I was trying to set a limit order, but the thing is it just like spiked up there, like literally, and then my stop loss was here. My bad, my stop loss was here, so 3.2 if you do, yeah, see, spiked up there, stop loss was there. And now the thing was, it didn't fill me there because it literally spiked down. I had to manually get in the position. It wasn't a limit order, so I got in. Now for TPs, I go on 15. Well, I guess there's this ODA block here, right? I could have targeted that for better ratios, like just tip of it, 3.44. But I guess I wasn't that. I was not, because I lost a trade on Friday and I just wanted a win. So what I did was I went into 5 minutes. I see that nothing here, this fair value gap plus this order block. So what I did was I just took TPs literally at the tip of this fair value gap, not even touching it. So literally there. And I think also on minute there is, yeah, this fair value gap right here, which was been respected before. So just quick TP there, and then yeah. And I think once it was at this point, I just moved my stop loss. It moved my stop loss to break even because I learned from my mistakes. But I'm just excited for Suki to see this trade, so I'm just gonna leave it right here and then see you boys later.